It is further averred in the plaint that after the death of plaintiff's husband, she faced hardships as there was no source of income for upbringing and education of her own children. Therefore, in that hour of need, she approached her brother for selling her share of the sued property, pleaded that initially the respondent attempted to avoid any specific response to the request of the plaintiff, and ultimately, prior to 1 month of filing of the suit, he flatly refused to give her due share of the suit property. Full stop. On this, the plaintiff inquired from the revenue record and came to know about the existence of impugned mutation of gift. Full stop. She negated the factum of any gift alleging fraud, impersonation without the knowledge and lawful consent of her deceased father, recorded as such in the revenue record in connivance with the revenue officials of the area. Full stop. New paragraph. She specifically refuted her information or acknowledgement qua offer acceptance and transfer of possession of the sued property on the basis of any gift. Consequently, she filed the suit. Full stop. The respondent contested the suit by filing written statement claiming that the sued property was gifted by Muhammad Ibrahim, deceased within his lifetime, by fulfilling all necessary ingredients of a valid gift, claimed that the plaintiff was aware of the factum of gift as the same was allegedly brought about with her consent and knowledge in presence of the witnesses. Full stop. Defendant claimed that the deceased father of the parties made an offer of gift of the sued property, which offer was accepted by him. Possession was delivered, and on the same day, 18/4/1998, Rapport number 371 was recorded by the Patwari. Full stop. New paragraph. It is further claimed in the written statement that the impugned mutation was presented in public gathering conducted in the village at the compound of village headman, and same was accordingly sanctioned there on 29/4/1998. Full stop. Defendant further agitated that he got conducted partition of this unpartitioned khata of the sued property, and as a consequence, the total area of the sued property was reduced from 59 canals 3 marlas to 54 canals 3 marlas, and respondent claimed that ever since the transaction of gift, he is enjoying the possession of the sued property, cultivating the same, but the plaintiff never objected to such arrangements. Full stop. Para number 6 of the preliminary objection of the written statement seeks to make reliance on some factual aspects. It was owing to some family disputes about the marriage proposals amongst family members. Full stop.